What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on Shiba Inu because this coin is for the past couple of days again pumping like crazy, and we are, let's say, testing some interesting resistance areas, and if certain conditions are met, I'm definitely planning to open some trading positions on this coin. So if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take here, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 1 hour chart. The most important thing that I'm currently watching here is this bearish order block, which is between level 0.02839 and 0.02795. To open here a long position, I want to see here breakout and then support confirmation of this area. And if this condition is met, then I think that there can be a pretty good opportunity for a potential long trade. Stop loss, in this case, you need to place just under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown and then resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down. So you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. And the last take profit targets, well, that's the difficult question in this case, because we have the potential stop loss like 1.5%, which is really low. So even if you will place the last take profit target like under this previous high, it will give you risk to reward like 10, which is the, let's say, normal risk to reward that I would aim in this case. But if you, for example, want, because this is like pretty interesting resistance, you can place it on even higher level. So for example, like under this previous high, which will give you risk to reward like 21. But if you will choose to aim for like this such a risk to reward, then don't forget to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits definitely take like under this previous high, then under this previous high, this previous high, this previous high, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, from the risk to reward like 22, the risk to reward will be like, I don't know, 14, 15, 13, something like that, which is in my opinion still really amazing. So definitely keep an eye on this potential trading setup, because the breakout and then support confirmation can give us really great opportunities for some trading positions. If you also want to trade this but with a higher stop loss, you can switch to a 4-hour chart, because here we have also a bearish order block, which is between level 0.02953 and 2860, and this order block is kinda bigger, so your stop loss will be also bigger, so there is not that high chance of getting liquidated. So in this case, you can have potential stop loss around like 4%, 3.9, something like that. So if we will aim for like a similar last take profit target, the risk reward ratio will be like 7.1, which I think is still really good. So if you want to trade this, let's say, safer, because if you have like 1.5% stop loss, especially on this coin, there is really high risk of getting liquidated. But you probably know that if you are aiming for like risk reward ratio around 20, the potential trade is like always risky, because the potential reward is also like really big. But if you want to, again, as I said, something safer, you can aim for something like this. So even if you will take like multiple take profit targets, the risk to reward will be still around 5. So you can also trade it like this. Another really interesting opportunity that I'm currently watching here will be in case of another drop, because here we have this bullish order block, which is between levels 0.02165 and 0.02080. So if the price is gonna get to this area, then I think that here it can be a really good opportunity for a long position. You can also see that on the level 0.0002184 we have this point of control, so we have here like really strong support. So if there will be breakdown, fake out, and then again a support confirmation, then I think that this can be another really good opportunity for a long trade. The potential entry should be above that point of control after there will be a support confirmation, and stop loss in this case you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. So even on the 1 hour chart, the stop loss will be, let's say, around 6.2 to like 7%. Again, it will depend on how big fake out we are gonna do. And the last take profit target, it can remain the same like in the previous setup. So you can, for example, aim for these higher areas. So in this case, you can have risk reward ratio 12. Definitely in this case, take large amount of the profits under this bearish order block, which is on the 1 hour or ordered for our chart if we are not gonna break it, because if we are gonna break it, then the order block will be invalid, of course. But if the price will drop from here, then definitely take big amount of the profits like under this potential resistance, because there is pretty high probability that the market can reverse here, and then the remaining take profit targets can remain the same. So from the risk reward ratio like 12, the risk reward ratio will be around 8.5, something like that. And yeah, again, this is really good setup. Okay, so these were the main setups that I'm currently watching on this coin. If you have some favorite altcoin and you want me to look on it, definitely type its name in the comments, and if there will be something interesting on the chart, I will definitely mention it in some of my next videos. But yeah guys, if you want to also copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group where I'm sharing analysis every single day. A link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.